Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Google Gemini how to turn off. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To disable Google Gemini, the steps vary depending on the device or service you are using. So if you are using an Android device, then what you need to do is head over and open up your Gemini app, and then once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon on the bottom top right corner of the screen. Now once you're inside here, you'll be provided with bunch of options. Now among them, what you need to do is simply select settings. Now once you're inside your settings, here what you need to do is scroll down until you find the digital assistants from Google. Then choose Google Assistant to set it as your default assistant. Now this action will make Google Assistant your primary assistant, and Gemini will no longer be triggered by voice commands. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.